The state's biggest casino operators are now responding when Resort says it applauds the decision, saying, in part, we believe face coverings will not diminish the unique experiences only Las Vegas can offer visitors. MGM also in support of the decision, now requiring masks at all properties nationwide, saying in part, at MGM Resorts, we have put health and safety at the center of what we do, and this will be a modification of protections that make up our multi-layered 7-point safety plan.
And also earlier today, Caesars Entertainment Properties put out a policy requiring face coverings. While previously all employees and guests at table games were required to wear masks. For everyone else, it was just encouraged. Again, now though, it is required in all public spaces.
An update tonight for the rough